Ibuprofen and Green Chemistry by JournalMod7.DillonSlaven. What is green chemistry? Green chemistry, which is also known as sustainable chemistry, is the design of chemical products and processes that reduce or eliminate the use or generation of hazardous substances. Ibuprofen and green chemistry. Ibuprofen is one of the most common over-the-counter drugs. It is an effective anti-inflammatory drug and is used to treat arthritis, decrease swelling, pain, fever, and other conditions. Ibuprofen was first created in the 1960s by the Boots Company in England. This method took 6 steps to create ibuprofen, which wasted chemicals and produced byproducts that required disposal. 40% of the materials used in this synthesis were wasted. A lot of the atoms of the reagents used to make it didn't end up in the drug. A new method for the synthesis of ibuprofen was created in the 1980s that only required 3 steps, and it reduced waste and used reagents that could be recovered and reused. This process made the synthesis of ibuprofen cheaper and more environment friendly. There is currently a plant in Texas that makes over 3 million kilograms of ibuprofen every year, which is enough for about 6 billion tablets. I believe this 3-step synthesis is great for our environment because it reduces waste and other toxins that could hurt the environment. Principles of green chemistry. There are 8 principles of green chemistry. These are 4 examples of how ibuprofen relates to the principles of green chemistry. The new 3-step synthesis of ibuprofen prevented waste instead of having to clean up the waste. The new synthesis also used reagents that can be recovered and reused, which allows for these raw materials to be renewable. Ibuprofen is synthesized so that at the end of its function, it doesn't persist in the environment. The substances used in the synthesis of ibuprofen minimize the potential for chemical accidents, explosions, or fires. Green chemistry in our everyday lives. A part of my everyday life where the principles of green chemistry is utilized is with sanitization products. I use soap, disinfectants, shampoo, and hand sanitizer every day to help prevent from getting sick and preventing long-term effects. These products contain no toxicity to human health, the environment, and aren't dangerous. This use of green chemistry is very popular today because of COVID and other sicknesses. Sanitization products play a key role in keeping us safe and healthy. These are my sources I use for my presentation.